Hello children, a warm welcome to all to the online IT classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today, let's start our new lesson MS Access, that is Introduction to Database MS Access. Okay, now believe that you may be already studied this database or this MS Access in last year. Okay, so see the first one, database. Children, do you know what is meant by this database? We can define a database as it is a collection of interrelated organized data that can produce useful information as and when required. Okay, it's a collection of interrelated organized data. See, when we consider your attendance register, okay, the attendance register will contain, okay, the each month page. Okay, each page represents 1 month. Then that page contains the information of all students, so roll number, name, whether they are present or absent, then the total number of present, total number of absence, that everything will present in one sheet. Okay, so we can say that this register is an example for a database. See, a relational database refers to a database that stores data in structured format of the tables containing of rows and columns. Okay, it is stored data in structured format of tables. Okay, the table containing rows and columns. See, what are the advantages of database? Okay, main advantages are data security, data accessibility, data redundancy, and reduces cost. Then the first one, data security. Keeping the data in database ensures its security. Okay, while we keeping this data in a database, it ensures its security. Next one, data accessibility. Database ensures the availability of data in the form of useful information as and when required. Okay, based on our requirement, this database give the data. Okay, next one, data redundancy. Database ensures that there are no duplicate entries. Okay, for example, say when we consider your attendance register, for example, roll number 1 will exist in only one time. Okay, there is no more than one roll numbers. That means the database ensures that there are no duplicate entries. Next one, reduces cost. Database reduces the cost of data entry, storage and retrieval. Okay. Then next one, objects of MS Access. The main objects are tables, queries, forms and reports. Okay, let's learn one by one. First one, tables. See, a table is used to store data. It is a collection of various records that consist of multiple fields which stores data such as name, address and phone number, etc. A database can have multiple tables. Okay, a database must have multiple tables. So simply we can say that table is a intersection of rows and columns. Okay, table is a intersection of rows and columns. Next one, queries. A query is a request of data from a table or a combination of tables. Okay, request of data from a table or a combination of tables. It helps the user to view the required information from one or multiple tables. Okay, see, that means the queries are the questions being asked to the database based on which it produces relevant information. Suppose when we consider your attendance register, okay, if you want to know roll number 1, okay, the total attendance of roll number 1, okay, that is your query. Okay, what information you want from the database, okay, that is your query. Your question is your query. Okay, your request. Okay, based on your request, the database will give the answers or the data will be given by this database. Okay, that one is called query. Next one, forms. Form is an interactive graphical object of database that is used to enter, edit or view records. Okay, you all know what is an application form. Okay, now you all know what is a Google form, because in our school the Google form is sent to each and every student to get the feedback. Okay, so this form is an interactive graphical object of database. Okay, in that form you need to enter your name, your class, okay, your parent name, your mobile number, then your feedback of each subject you have to enter. So it will collect all this information. So when we collect information from each and every student, this everything will considered as a single database. Okay, so simply we can say that form is an interactive graphical object of database that is used to enter, edit or view records. Next one, reports. Report is a formatted printable data that can be used to analyze data. Okay children, so these are the main objectives of a database. Now I show you how to work with this MS Access. See, this is an MS Access window. Okay, how to open this window? First click on Start button, then click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Access. Okay, then you will get this type of window. Okay, here you can see a new blank database. Okay, new blank database. So first we have to create a blank database. So simply click on this blank database. Okay, then come here. Here you can enter the name of your database. Okay, now I am typing one name, student. Okay, here I am typing one name, student. Okay, then here you can specify the location. Okay, the storage location. If you want, you can specify the storage location also here. Just click on here. Here you can mention the storage location. Now I click on this desktop. Okay, see here you can see the desktop. Okay, then click on OK. So this database will be stored in our desktop. Then click on create button. See, now you will get a window like this. Okay, then we can create one table at first. Okay, to create a table at first, we have to design our tables. That means we have to design the fields or the column headings that first. So to create a database or to design our table, see here our table name. Okay, here you can see the table. The tables we have to design it first. For that, click on this view button, then click on design view. Okay, here you can see the table name. Here I am giving the table name as student. Okay, I give the same name, student. Okay, see here you can see all the field. Okay, so what are the fields we need to enter in this database? That we can given here. Suppose I given here first roll number. Okay, roll number. Here you can specify the data type. See, when you click on the drop down arrow, you can see the different types of data types. Okay, whether it is text, memo, number. Now we know roll number is a type of number. Okay, then on next field you can type name. Okay, here I am typing name. Then name is a text field. Okay, because name contain only characters, so it is a text field. Next one, roll number, name, then I am typing age. Okay, then on text field I choose this number. Okay children, so here I am giving only 3 fields. Okay, then now our table design is over. Okay, then let's give the data into this field. Okay, so to enter data, we can click on this data sheet view. Okay, on this view, see on the design tab, on the view section, click on data sheet view. Okay, then you can see the roll number, name, age. Okay, so here you can give the roll number 1. Okay, now I give roll number 1. Okay, then I give one name Harish, then age is 12. Okay, then on next field roll number 2. Here I am typing Diya. Okay, age is equal to 40. Here I am typing roll number 3. Then Jia. Then age is equal to 50. Okay, so this is our table. Okay, so when you save, See, the table will also save. Okay, children. So this is how we create a database. Okay, so first design a table. For designing, you can click on this view button, take this design view. Okay, here you can give the field names. Then to enter data, you can choose this data sheet view. Then you can enter this data is here. Okay, children. So now I believe how to enter data into a table. That topic is very clear to you. Okay. Then how to enter data using forms. That is our next topic. And also how to sort this data, how to filter table, how to generate report. That everything we need to cover in this lesson. That everything I will discuss in our next lesson, next session. Okay, children. So don't forget to do all these in your own system. Then only this topic will be very clear to you. It's a very important lesson, Microsoft Access. Okay, children. Then see you again with another topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.